Okay, this is our Navodaya batch. So as you can see the students over there. Okay, so this is our class 6 batch, as you can see. Okay, so these are our students of grade 7. As already they are working very day and night, and today is the final day of the examination. So let's check what is their preparation. So anyone know the formula about discount? Discount? Yes, tell me. Discount, what's the formula?
MP minus SP.
MP minus SP, correct, very good, sit down. CP, wanted to say the formula, cost price. Cost price, okay. Let me go with the profit. Profit, wanted to say profit. Yes, tell.
SP minus CP.
SP minus CP, correct. Profit percentage.
Sir. Profit by CP into 100.
Profit by CP into 100. Okay, loss. Yes, Murli.
Loss by CP into 100.
Loss by CP into 100. Very good. After that, suppose we need to say simple interest. Yes, this one.
PRT by 100.
PRT by 100. Sit down. Very good. Correct answer. Next, area of rectangle. Yes, Dave.
Length into breadth.
Length into breadth. Sit down. Perimeter of rectangle. Yes.
2 into L plus B.
2 into L plus B. Correct. Next, let me take the area of rectangle. Yes.
Length into breadth.
Okay, it's already completed. Very good. Sit down. Okay. Now these are the formulas that we have already learned. Related to the exponent and power. Anyone can explain the formula? Exponent and power. Okay.
X to the power by m by x to the power n is equals to x to the power m minus n.
Yes.
X to the power m into x to the power n is equals to x to the power m plus n.
Correct.
X to the power m bracket n is equals to x to the power m into n.
Correct.
X to the power 0 is equals to 1.
Very good. Please sit down. Okay. Now a plus b whole square is, anyone know the formula? Yes, tell.
A plus B whole square equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB.
Correct. Very good. Sit down. Now related to, let us come not only the mathematics, let us come to the physics also. Who know the perfect three law, or otherwise Newton's first law, Newton's second law, Newton's third law? Yes. What is
First
it?
law is inertia.
You can remove the marks.
First law is inertia.
Law of inertia. First law.
Second one, law of momentum.
Law of momentum. Correct. Very good.
Third one is every action has a reaction.
Very good. Equal action and opposite reaction. Super. Please sit down. Okay. So that's it. Thank you very much.